Hi and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to be discussing one of the most important components of a computer, the random access memory. First, let us define what RAM is. Simply put, it is a type of computer memory that is used to temporarily store data as you work on your computer. This data can include things like the operating system, applications, and any documents or files you have open. When you open a program on your computer, it gets loaded into the RAM so that the processor can access it quickly and efficiently. Unlike other types of memory, like a hard drive, RAM is volatile, meaning it is wiped clean when you shut down your computer. This is why you need to save your work before you shut down. If you don't, it will be lost. So, why do we need RAM? Well, it helps your computer run smoothly and efficiently by allowing it to quickly access and use data as you work. The more RAM you have, the more data your computer can access at once, and the faster it can process that data. There are different types of RAM, including dynamic RAM, DRAM, static RAM, SRAM, and double data rate RAM, DDR-RAM. The most common type of RAM used in computers today is DDR, which is faster and more efficient than the older types of RAM. When you're shopping for a new computer or upgrading your current one, it's important to consider the amount of RAM you need. If you're using your computer for basic tasks like web browsing and word processing, you can get by with 4 GB of RAM. However, if you are doing more resource-intensive tasks like video editing or gaming, you'll likely want at least 8 GB, and even more for the best performance. So, in summary, RAM is a type of computer memory that is used to temporarily store data as you work on your computer. It is important because it helps your computer run smoothly and efficiently by allowing it to quickly access and use data. The more RAM you have, the more data your computer can access at once, and the faster it can process that data. On the other hand, if you have too little RAM, your computer may struggle to keep up with your demands and could even crash. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more information on computer.